a video here. It's a lovely smell, you know, when this boiler fires up. It's I can't describe it. It's kind of a methylated sort of spirits, kind of you know, a real kind of oily sort of, it's a proper steam smell, I suppose. You know, I suppose what these sort of guys go on about, the ones that really like all the steam, certainly got that sort of smell to it. So the old pressure there starting to build up there on the gauge, so I think we're pretty much sort of ready to go. So there's the workshop running. I did tell you it made a noise. Haven't got the lights running at the moment, haven't got the generator running. I'm going to slow this down a little bit. There we go. We've lost the drive belt. So that steam forge hammer, that really does make a racket. Anyway, that's about it. I'm going to let this video just run out now. As I said, these clips I'll be using in a much sort of more involved video at some point in the future when I get some time to do some editing. But I'll just let this play out for a few minutes so you can sort of see all of this steam workshop working. Anyway, as always, cheers, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. So here's just a bit more video to play out. Bye bye now.